And today we are going to learn a fantastic, useful, common verb in the third person. So, are you ready? Let's start with Maeve. See you in a minute. Don't go anywhere. Comprar means to buy in Spanish. To comprar, we remove the R and we have compra. He buys or she buys is compra. And now let's review some words. Paella in Spanish is paella. Muy bien. Well done. Tortilla in Spanish is tortilla. Well done. And pizza in Spanish is pizza. Perfect. And we have another one. This is a new one. Hot dog in Spanish, perrito caliente. Fantastic. He buys a paella. Compra una paella. Let's do it together. Compra una paella. Brilliant. Let's do another sentence. He buys a tortilla. Compra una tortilla. Let's do it together. Compra una tortilla. Perfecto. Perfect. Let's do another sentence. He buys a pizza. Compra una pizza. Let's do it together. Compra una pizza. Well done. And now let's go to buy a hot dog. He buys a hot dog. Compra un perrito caliente. Let's do it together. Compra un perrito caliente. Yes, we put a perrito caliente in the middle. Well done. Once more. Thank you for learning with me, Maeve. If you like my video, please give me a like and I'll see you next time. Bye. Muchas gracias por aprender conmigo, Maeve. Si te ha gustado mi vídeo, por favor, dame un me gusta y te veo en la próxima. Adiós.